Hi everyone, so today in this video I'm going to be trying out this new set that Diamond Press has brought to their site. It is called Faith Sentiments. It will be on their site on September 8th around 6:30 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, so I'll talk a little bit more about that in just a minute, but I just wanted to make it very clear it's on mydiamondpress.com at 6:30 p.m. Eastern on September 8th, okay? So Diamond Press did send these items free of charge from my review, and of course all opinions are my own. And I'll have the links set up in the description box, but the affiliate relationship with Diamond Press is an affiliate discount code, so if you use the code VCDP, you'll get 10% off your purchase, and that is an affiliate code. So that means I'll make a small commission if you use that code there. The reason I'm making it very clear is because I got the go-ahead to release some of the videos early. So today is Wednesday, and of course the items are not on the site yet. They will be on the site again on the 8th at 6:30 Eastern. And Beth Kingston will do a live, preview of the different items like she does with the HSN shows and things like that on Diamond Press's site there, and probably on Facebook. And I'm sorry, what I mean by Diamond Press's site is their YouTube channel. And that will be at 7:30 p.m. Eastern, okay? But the items will be released at 6:30 Eastern. So again, you can use my discount code. They're also going to have some free gifts. I have a whole video going through everything and doing a little tutorial, but you guys will see that tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. Eastern, okay? So for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and play with the items. That's why it's already open, because I created a video to show you all the different 7 brand new sets. And you might have seen them already in Diamond Press's email blast. If you're not signed up for their emails, just go to mydiamondpress.com and just sign up for their newsletter, and you'll get all the emails, which is really great because they keep you on top of things. As soon as they know something, it's there, or they're putting something out, it's there. So it's always nice to have that be signed up. So if you place an order of $55 or more after discounts and before shipping, you'll receive this die here. It says I'm reading this. I did the same thing in the other video. It's the season to be spooky, and it has the little jack-o'-lantern there. And if you spend $75 or over after discounts and before shipping, you'll receive both of these dies. And this is the little like Halloween witch die. It's really, really cute. So I showed you more in depth about that in the video that I'll release tomorrow. But for right now, you're going to see different videos. Again, the items will not be available until September 8th, in the evening. So in this video, I'll be using these items to create a card. And I think, again, it's these large sentiment dies. I went through these in the other video, you'll see, but I'm just going to quickly, Jesus loves you, trust in the Lord with all your heart, praying for you, you are never alone. Faith can move mountains, and it has little mountains that you can add there, kind of in the background. And then we have flourishes and sprigs and those kind of fun things to finish off your cards. So I think I'll just make a nice quick sentiment card, right? The sentiment is the star of the show here on this one. And so let's try this guy out. I did give some measurements in the next video, so you'll see that. Again, the items aren't available anyhow, so you'll get that info. I'm going to use this one, the Jesus Loves You, and probably some sprigs and things like that, but let me grab a card base and some papers and we'll get started. Okay guys, so we'll use that one as our focal point here, the Jesus Loves You. I have this beautiful purple kind of matte metallic paper that I'll be using, so I'm just going to run it through. Super easy. Just going to trim that down. And I also have a standard A2 size card base here, and of course the A2 size is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I did cut a piece of paper down to 4 1/8 by 5 3/8 because that's the matting size I like, so it just leaves a little bit around the edge. But if you like to work in quarters, 4 by 5 1/4, or just cover the whole thing 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And what I'm going to do with this piece is just some white paper. Just run it through an embossing folder that I have here in my stash that I just grabbed, so I'll just run it through that to get that pretty texture going on the back there. And then this guy will just run it through. And I will probably also use some of the little sprigs, so we'll talk about that in just a minute. Of course, your new set comes with a new folder for the marquee, but these dies go through any machine that will cut thin metal dies, and I get that question every day whenever people are always watching the different videos, And yes, you can put it in whatever machine you have that cuts thin metal dies. This paper is very sturdy. A lot of times I'll do a drop shadow. It doesn't need it today, so I don't think I'm going to do it either way. I want this just to pop off the white background. So there's our gorgeous wording, and again, those large sentiments that Diamond Press does so well. So let me get the texture on my paper from the embossing folder. And then I'm probably going to take some of these sprigs, and then I thought, just to make it pop. We'll just take a few. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of them. Maybe those two. And again, we have the little florals and little mountains there. And I think I'm gonna use this green glitter paper just to put in the background. Why not? So I'll run those through also. Okay, guys. So where's my card base? How pretty. So I'm gonna put this on here. Now you can orient your card this way, whatever you like. I'm just gonna stick this down, then we'll decide that in just a minute. So just gonna glue that down. I just want to show you, like, just, I mean, how nicely it just cuts out. Look at that. This one came out with it in here. The other ones stayed in the paper and just came out really nicely. So glitter paper, you know. Mark, he's just a little workhorse. Okay. Yeah, so let me just glue this down, and oh, that looks nice too. I always like the emboss and the deboss side. They both look really great, but I'll go ahead and use it with the emboss side. I'm gonna hold that down for a second, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I was kind of oriented this other way, but I kind of like the look of that too. Either way, with that beautiful texture in the background. So let me play with this just a little bit and see exactly where I would want to put these beautiful sprigs. How pretty. Like I said, I cut out a few. I wasn't sure if I was going to use them all or just some. You know what? Something like that looks really nice. Okay. All I'm going to do is put some dimensionals on the back of this. And it has some really nice big spaces, so it's very easy to pop some dimensionals on that. So I'm just going to take a moment to do that. And I will be right back. Okay, guys. So I have strategically placed dimensional adhesives back there, and what I'm going to do is just stick this down. Again, I don't usually stick them down completely. I'm not going to push it down quite yet because I want to see where exactly I want them anyhow. So those are just a little glue here and there. Bring this guy back, and that looks good for this one. Maybe bring it down just a little bit. And then this little guy, I'm just gonna, just like that. Alright guys, and there's a simple card, really quick, just lovely. Those beautiful colors, nice and subtle and classic looking. So thank you so much, Diamond Press, for sending these items for review. Keep an eye out, guys. I will have more videos coming, but again, the items will be released on mydiamondpress.com on the 8th, right around 6:30 p.m. Eastern. Okay, not Pacific, sorry. Eastern. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.